welcome. Good afternoon on the East Coast. Good morning out west.
I started here almost 6 years ago. It was a State of Reform conference that really gave me the ability to early on access the leaders in Oregon and talk to people and build those relationships that have really served us well. So
when I got asked to do this, an honest conversation about costs, what a perfect title for the kind of discussion that I'd like to get into, because I think that we do need some honest conversation about the status of healthcare costs in this country.
When you think about reform, definitely access, definitely health outcomes and closing disparities.
You have to be a good listener. You have to listen to your health policy experts, whether it be at the federal and state level.
When I walk through the ERs or the ICUs, people are there to care and to do the right thing for people. And I hope we can get to a better place as a country. And I hope we can do good things for healthcare because we all need it.
Tapping into the wisdom and strength of BIPOC people, Black and Brown people who work within agencies, within institutions, and tapping into their wisdom and knowledge in a way that's respectful and dignifying is really important.
Without racial equity, we will not achieve health equity. We have to deal with racism in this country and to have real conversations about our individual and collective responsibility in our path and our journey towards racial and health equity.
We always have to remember patients, and the reality is by almost any metric you choose, our healthcare system can do a lot better. Our outcomes are not great in general. They're even worse for underserved populations.
It's important, and I'm glad this discussion is going on to have more conversation about what we can do into the future about healthcare. It is a big chunk of our economy, a big chunk of our personal individual lives.
I'd like to thank all of my co-presenters for their thoughts and all of you that have joined us today, and thank State of Reform for hosting this.